I'm installing this new portable air conditioner today, and I wanted to point out the steps that you show on the box because this is a nice feature. So you cut the packing tape, open it up, remove some accessories that are on the top, but then the very cool part is that the box lifts up, making it so much easier to get the air conditioner itself out of the box. I'm unpacking the box now, and as you can see, it comes with some great instructions. Easy to follow, easy to understand. There's even a QR code that you can scan to get more information. Now, this brand does recommend using foam to help seal around the window. And inside here, you can see the vent. Ooh, that's a heavy-duty vent. That's nice. This might be my favorite feature of unpacking the air conditioner. You just lift up on this guy. Ha ha ha, voila. It's open and ready to use. And I see these are the pieces that go into the window to help support the vent. Now for the vent piece that goes in the window, there is one installation piece. This needs to go in this little hole here, and then you line it up on the back side, so you see that. So it's lined up there. And then, yeah, you put the washer on and the wing nut. And you are ready to install. So I just snapped the vent into place into the window mount, and it was very easy. You see it's just got 4 little clips snapped in there, nice and easy. I do like how it's low profile at the window, and of course this is the bottom part because it's going to sit flush with the window seal. So it's time to go put it in the window. Now I'm putting the vent in the window, and as you can see, it fits so well. Just a simple adjustment here to make this piece a little bit longer, and then tighten up the wing nut again, and then close the window. Oh my goodness, so easy, so slick. And then there's even room for me to put the shades back down. I'm impressed. Okay, I've got the air conditioner inside. Now it's time to install the vent fan or the vent hose to the unit, and you simply slide it in place and it clicks and you're all set. Now you may have to be a little creative about where you place the hose and the unit. It's not that big of a deal, but it is, you do want to keep the hose pretty straight. And as you can see over here, I've got it plugged into just a normal outlet, a 110 outlet. And now it's ready to go. It's ready to use. I'm turning it on for the first time using the remote control. Look at that. So slick. Now I'm gonna crank it down just to see how it works. Ooh, look at that. So the unit has been running for a couple minutes, and I can tell the difference in this room already. It's impressive. So the whole installation process, even with me taking videos and talking through it, took less than 30 minutes. If you were focused, it would be even faster than that. Very impressed with this product. Easy to set up, easy to use. I recommend it.